Okay, hello traders and welcome to Market Blues. It's Stu Napan here, founder of Master the Markets Elite Trades Conference and the Traders Open Day. So today's topic is going to be on 3 ways to boost your energy levels. Okay, you see, traders, as we trading the financial markets, it's very critical that our energy levels are high so that our focus is there in the present moment to identify the right trade setups and also to forget about the past or worry about the future in terms of our trades, in terms of the past. Forget about your last biggest winning trade or your 3 consecutive losses that you may have had. Stop worrying about whether the next trade is going to be a winner or loser. To keep your mental awareness on this opportunity, which is in front of you, which is a unique opportunity and could be the biggest runner that brings your equity curve to the next positive level. For that, you need to ensure that your mind is at the present moment and your energy levels are high. So based on that is what today's topic is going to be about. 3 ways to boost your energy levels. So let's just take a look at that and let me annotate on the screen. So let me just bring up the document. Let's see. So now we should be able to share it. Great. So what are the 3 different ways to boost your energy levels? One of the first way people do say is the food. Okay, the food that you eat. Now, some of you may be asking, okay, Tiruch, so that's good. So in terms of the physical personality, so looking after the physical personality of ours, in terms of physical personality, we're looking at the food that we eat. Okay. Now, one of the most important things in the food that we eat, you may ask, okay, what type of food should we be eating? Of course, everybody says healthy food, but mainly in terms of the healthy food, which I want you all to look into, is mainly alkaline rich food. In the end, your outcome out of whatever food that you may eat is to get to near to neutral level, which is pH 6.9, if I'm not wrong, back to my biology days. So that is pH 6.9 or 6.7 to be exact, if you may call it. And for that kind of alkaline food, and as you know, most of you will know, is more green, rich food. And wheatgrass is another one. I'll let you all research into the type of food that will help towards this alkaline state of your blood circulation. The second thing, which is your biggest energy boost, is also in terms of your physical personality, which is exercise. Okay. Now, exercise at least about 3 to 4 times a week. This can help you in terms of keeping your blood circulation at a constant good flow, at a constant good flow that then keeps that oxygen being sent to your mind and your whole physical organs in your cells so that you are at high awareness level and high energy level when you are in the markets. Okay. The other thing, which is a very good energy booster, which is having a calm mind. Okay. A calm mind. Now, how do you get to this calm mind? What is a calm mind? Think about this. Let me put this as a question to you. What would you say a calm mind is? One, that has got less thoughts, or two, which has got loads of heavy thoughts within it? Yes, as most of you would have actually figured it out. A calm mind is actually one which has got the less thoughts. So more and more going towards what? Thoughtlessness. Okay, thoughtlessness. So that you are fully in the present moment. And as traders, that is so important, isn't it, traders, that we are fully focused and present in the current trade as of now. Okay, so that is towards a calm mind, which is your third energy boost. In fact, if you were to think about it, between these 3 energy boosters, the one that gives you the biggest energy boost, what do you think it is? Is it food? Is it exercise? Or is it a calm mind which is near thoughtlessness? What do you think is the biggest energy boost? You can type in your answers as you're watching this live through YouTube or Facebook or any social media platform. You can just type in your answers live. Yes, as some of you may have got it right, the one that has got the biggest energy boost is actually number 3, a calm mind, which is next or near to thoughtlessness, which is so focused in the present moment. That's when your energy levels are so high. Okay, right. One of the things that we constantly do every day, and which is very important as a trader as well, which gets you to the state of thoughtlessness, and without it, you won't be able to do the activity, which is what we do every day, which is called sleep. Okay, during sleep, of course, only when you have no thoughts, when the mind goes quiet, is when you can sleep, isn't it, not traders? And actually, is in that sleep where there is almost thoughtlessness, and that's when you have a deep sleep, as when you wake up from that deep sleep, you feel very re-energized, is it not? So you see, this thoughtlessness, which happens every day, which helps us sleep as well, just us give a good night rest, is also very good in also replenishing us, re-energizing us, and a very big energy booster. Now imagine now living a lifestyle which can help you keeping that calm mind or the state of thoughtlessness even in the waking state, even when you're trading, even when you're talking, even when you are interacting with others. It's so calm, it's so focused, always in the present moment and towards that particular thought. Okay, so that's what we want to do, and that's what the whole area of mindfulness is all about. Okay, so consider these 3 energy boosters. So food, your exercise, and a calm mind. To get the calm mind, there are different techniques, and in fact, even these two will also correlate with a calm mind as well. They all intersect and complement each other as well towards achieving a calm mind. So those are the 3 energy boosters. Do reflect on them and do take action on them and put them as part of your regular routine to maintain your high energy levels, and especially on a Monday, at the start of the week, when our mind should be so focused towards what we want to achieve as traders in terms of our trading goals, and keep that mind in the present moment. Okay, good. So with that, I think let's go on to the markets, just to a quick market review and see how the markets are doing. The dollar is still strong as of today, and it's still climbing up much higher and higher and higher and higher. As you can see over here, this is on the dollar Swiss currency. Open equity is diminishing to the upside. So we'll be looking to trail our stops tight to come out of this particular trade. Dollar yen, on the other hand, yes, it's carrying on higher and higher and stronger. We just came out of this in our target here at 20% OE, and it's still carrying on much more further higher in terms of dollar yen as well. Open equity is diminishing to the upside. Cable, on the other hand, it's an insider bar. It's still not showing a lot of weakness to the downside in correlation to the dollar. However, open equity is still to the downside. Only thing I would say be cautious of is the 20% OE level has been reached over here, around here. So probably trailing stops tight would be an ideal thing to do. Euro dollar, on the other hand, continues on its downward move after taking out this low over here. And you can see that it's a continuation move over here. Open equity is diminishing to the downside, so trail your stops tight on the high of every bar. Aussie dollar, on the other hand, you can see that today it has reverted back to the downside. Open equity, I would still say a bit more to the downside. Coffee, on the other hand, a bit more interruption here. It's an uptrend, but open equity, I would say, is diminishing to the downside. So trail your stops more tighter on the high of every bar. GBP yen, on the other hand, still on the upside. Open equity diminishing to the upside. Trailer tight stops to each low of every bar would be ideal. Sugar, on the other hand, still I would say open equity more to the downside if this low is taken out, or if this high is taken out, then open equity more to the upside. Silver, on the other hand, you can see on a downside in this top to bottom move. As I said, if it does take out this high, then open equity to the upside. If it does take out this low, open equity more to the downside. I would say open equity is highly probably diminishing to the downside, so I would be wary of that to take it to the long. That's pretty much that. Finally, dollar index. Dollar is rising to the upside. Bottom to top move. Open equity diminishing to the upside. Uh, Tighter stops to the low of every bar. Okay. All right. So I guess that's pretty much that in terms of from the market update. And in terms of our Market Blues topic for today, 3 energy boosters which you learned to keep you in your high peak performance state at the beginning of the week to capture those big movers. That's all from me for now. And as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.